FMC News. FMC News Cooking. FMC News. And behind the cameras are the wonderful Miss Scarlett. And we will start making some Brioche Grilled Cheeses. So here I have a cutting board to cut my different Whole Foods. Whole Food is not sponsoring them in any other way, Then we also have this Organic Horizon single cheeses. People say these aren't really good for you, but I say otherwise. Now, first we're going to just take the pie off the brioche breads. Now I'm going to take the brioche breads out. I'm going to get my knife, and we're going to chop them in half, like this. So I think I'm just going to go like this. Maybe that's not a good way. I like to hold it like at the top, then I go through. By the way, do not try this at home. Try it with parental supervision. Good. Now, here we have our cheeses that we're just going to open up like this. Maybe I think 2 is good on each. I think actually 1's good on each for them. So just going to go like this. Take them out. Now I put a cheese on here. I think 1 is good enough for these small brioche bread rolls. Then I'm going to do another one. Same thing. Get it out of the packaging. Now you can use whatever cheese you want. This cheese is just what we have in stock at my house, and also it's very convenient to use. They just single rolls and they fit. So now this is one of them. Now go ahead and repeat that process for a few times, and then put it in the George Foreman and fire it up. So then I'm gonna skip through. I'm gonna repeat this step again. I'm gonna take one, put that on there. Just take another one right here. Just gonna go like this. Open it out of its single packaging. Take it out like that. Cut it again, same as I did again. Cut it like that.
We'll use this shot.
And now we're going to open up the George Foreman grill. I'm going to put my 3 sandwiches in, just like so. Let them sizzle. Now I'm going to press the George Foreman in.
They said you can help.
Let them sizzle for some time. Then we will take them out and enjoy our grilled cheeses. Don't you hear that sizzling? There's multiple ways to enjoy these grilled cheeses. I like to enjoy them with some mustard, with a little bit of mustard. Absolutely perfect. Now, let me just give you a sneak peek if you want to look in here. I think we need a little more time to let them just sizzle, but that's how they are right now. And when you put them in, and over time, you really want to just compact them to. I think around
Here.
now, I think we have some good.
Film.
I think we maybe have like a little more time.
Easy. You have to just film.
And left it.
Scarlett, this is what he's going to do.
Okay. The cheese is like really bubbling, so I think we're just going to give it a little more time just to let it. So I think we're just going to leave it. We have to wait for it, the cheese to settle down. Cheese is very emotional. Let's see. Yeah, but it's all melted.
Oh my god, you just melted it all over the...
That's going to be so good. Okay.
You melted it all over the thing! You have to take them out now.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do!
Okay. Hello. I don't know about this experiment. I don't know how well this went, but we're going to just take them out
And
very
taste
slowly.
them.
I zoomed in. Now, I'm gonna get. Okay, here is our grilled cheese. It may not look that good, but woo dog it. Let's take a little bit of this. Put on top of that. Top it off. Maybe a little bagel seasoning.
Bagel seasoning.
Very good. Now, maybe it's good idea to put a little bagel seasoning on now. A little bagel seasoning now. Take this out right now.
Charlie, get that camera No, get that camera back where it was.
No, it's actually really good. It's really good. Okay. I'm gonna take this out. So, take it out. We're gonna go like this. Now, this is an experiment. I'm not saying these are gonna be good. I'm just saying this is an experiment. Just a warning for you people who want to try this. So, I just think to let them go a little longer. Like maybe like 10 minutes. We let them go for like a minute, maybe 5, like 5 at like the most. So like, you know, like a word of warning, I would say for you. Now, here they are. They're all nice and seasoned. Now, let's do a top coat bagel seasoning. Check the storage corner right here. Move over this. Here is the finished project. So I'm going to use my.
Now, can we taste test?
Now we're going to taste test it.
I'll taste it.
Charlie, come in the camera. Have a bite.
Hold on, wait.
I'm gonna have a bite right now. This is amazing. Like bagel seasoning, brioche bread, nice and fun. Absolutely amazing. I'm gonna make my own and not